hardly we throw away anything. Welcome to Ala International, Ala Group. We want to get to the best plant from UAE that we can export more, we can recycle UAE's waste. The doors have opened for people to try the plastic.
Hi, it's Anna from MyScrap, and right now I'm at plastic recycling plant with Mr. Bashar Ehsan. Hello, Mr. Bashar.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to Ala International, Ala Group. We are into recycling of metals and plastics. We'll show you around our facility to get more idea of how metals and plastics recycling is done.
Hello, Mr. Bashar. How are you doing?
Hi, how are you, Anna?
How did you start yourself in this industry, the plastic?
It's been 5 years now, and I was into the metals before. Looked after our the yard, scrap yard in Sharjah and Hartzmann, and then from that I started doing a little bit of plastic, which gave me a lot of interest to grow myself in plastic with a lot of scope. It's a future now. Everybody has problem with plastic. And hardly any percentage of plastic is recycled in the world, like whereas metal is 100% recycled mostly, and nothing goes to landfill. So we have a lot of scope in plastic, and we wanted to help the environment also to achieve and do something for the environment, to recover the plastic and make it into a good quality product for our customers, and get a equivalent level to the virgin grades.
What is your share in like plastic industry here in UAE?
Right now we don't know about the shares, but because we have not calculated the market as level, because it is unorganized sector, so nobody has the data of, but we are one of the good plants here, what I have seen so far.
Yeah.
And we want to get to the best plant from UAE that we can export more and more, give local industry, we can recycle UAE's waste. So we want to do most of that. So the granules we are supplying right now for the pipe industry. We are buying pipes and we are making also for the pipe again.
Okay.
And we are supplying to the gas tanks, you can say the car diesel tanks. Every car has the tank. Our material goes to this plant for manufacturing of car bumpers, car gas tanks, diesel tanks, you can say.
What is your recovery rate in plastic?
The recovery rate, you can say, is mostly 99% of the material what we buy, we recover it. Hardly a few, you can say few wastage comes, because we mainly buy good quality scraps from all over the world, and the recovery rate is almost 99%. Hardly we throw away anything, we reuse everything what we get.
Okay, that's good.
We use both recycle and virgin material, but virgin we are just doing trading, because we are mostly into recycling of plastic granules. So we are using mostly making the recycle of used plastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from which country you source virgin material? Is it local or import?
No, we buy not only virgin, we also buy the scrap, like from the US,
Okay.
from Europe, from Australia, and locally, especially from Saudi Arabia, because these are the big markets for petrochemical. Like USA and Saudi Arabia is one of the largest manufacturers of you can say petrochemical hub. So they generate a lot of waste, which we recycle in our plant here.
So from which country are your machinery?
All the machineries are from China, but we made it like an customized. It's not a normal Chinese machinery. We customized everything as per our need, and we gave them the specs, and then we designed from there what they did for us, you know. So they created the machine for us.
This is crushing.
No, crushing is here done.
Ah, okay.
I'll show you. Come. So it is completely automatic. We put the pipe inside and it goes inside. It has a weighting system inside. So the conveyor automatically stops when the capacity is full inside, and then it shreds itself inside, and then there is washing. There is water going through these conveyors.
Yeah.
Small, you can say the screw conveyors, and then whatever the dirty material or the bad material, which it comes out here. So whatever is rejected,
Yeah.
you can say, but we use this as in the different product, and then
Like which product?
we use it in the low grade material for using in the like a pallets or something like that.
Okay.
Then after the washing, the material is clean. This is crushing. So it fills here. So we have the shredder, then the washing,
Yeah.
then the crusher, a small crusher. After this is done, we bring the material to the granulation. So we put the material in the screw conveyor for feeding in the machine.
And then melting.
Yeah, then we melt here, make into granulation.
Where's the filter?
Yeah. So we have double filtration in our machine,
Yeah.
one here and one here. So these are the filters. So if you can see, if there is any metals, you can see small metals particle. This is actually the waste which cannot go to into plastic. They will spoil the material. So we put the high mesh to get all the dust inside the filter. So our material is clean, and we have 100% success rate. There is no rejection till now. That's good. So we make sure about our quality. So we are producing mostly PP, HD, LD, ABS and PS. So you can see our product. This is all our factory product. And then this is LD for the film. So this is natural color. So it's like a virgin, you can say, almost. This is the milky. So if you want to produce a milky color film and things, then you can do this. Then you have the big drums, the blue drums, you can say, for storing the material, the chemicals. You can use this product. Then we have HD for film and also for pipes and other stuff. Then we have the pipe, black pipe, the P100, which is popular. So we are producing almost everything here.
Okay.
And then we have PP for this is for the car manufacturers. So this is mostly for the car manufacturers which we are using, like for the bumpers and for the inner dashboards and all this kind of stuff.
And in which volume you're producing?
Right now we are doing almost 1,000 tons of granulation, but we expanding in the future. We are planning to expand more in the future. So this is the lab where we test all the material. So we are creating more machinery for more testing. So whichever required by our customers. So we give them like a data sheet for them to see our product and compare with virgin material, and then they can all use the material for their use.
Okay.
Here we put material, and then there is a weight. We set the weight from the computer, and then it's automatically tests and cuts here, and it makes like a, you can say like a stick. So we can know how smooth the material is and what is the inside the contamination, or is there anything which we want to make properly. So we can see our testing material.
Okay.
So how strong it is. We are adding more things now.
So you're testing each ton, or how is
We
it?
test every bag. Each
day?
bag.
Each bag, okay.
Every bag we have the report. So we know that every bag is similar to the container.
Yeah.
We make sure that it qualifies. We make things before we make into granules.
As quite new, right, in this industry, in plastic industry, which advantages, disadvantages you're facing now, like maybe problems because you started recently?
Yeah, plastic, the main advantage is that it is available in huge quantities. The main problem is like it is very difficult to transport because it's very light in weight.
Okay.
So it is very difficult to transport it from somewhere to bring it. The transportation cost is big. Also the challenge is that people are not aware about the grades of the plastic. Like in metals, everybody knows copper, aluminium, brass, all this stuff. You can see and you can come to know. But in plastic, everything looks like the same. So people don't have awareness of the grades, how they wanted to segregate and how they wanted to do. But thanks to the technology now, people are getting a lot of technology which can separate things which are mixed also. So before it was not available, but now it is coming in the market. So for that, the plastic will have a lot of scope in the future for recycling. The main the problem which we are facing right now is the price is a lot of fluctuation now due to oil. But there is an advantage that we are also new rules are coming up for plastic, for recycled plastic. They're promoting a lot of recycled plastic. The main producer, the end producers are promoting a lot of recycles. So this is giving us a lot of advantage right now. Before it was something else. When I entered the market, it was completely different. China was the only buyer for recycled material, but now everywhere in the world, everybody is buying. So the doors have opened for people to try their innovation and stuff in plastic, and to invent something which give them good quality, and then the producers, the car manufacturers, or anybody can use this product for their use in the car or in the industry.
And for which market you supplying normally? For local?
We are supplying to exports and local as well.
Okay.
So locally we are supplying to mostly the film industry who are making the blown film, and we are supplying to the pipe industry who are making the underground pipes.
Okay.
We are exporting material to car manufacturers now. So they are using our product into making inner body of the car and the bumpers, the inside of the car, whatever the plastic is there which they can use from our material. We are supplying them, and it's glad that our quality has been appreciated everywhere, and we are trying to improve our standard of quality to achieve the virgin standards. So we can replace, in some parts we can replace the virgin with our product.
Okay, that's good. And which exactly countries for export? Is like China or?
Right now, mostly we are been supplying to Europe. Right now in Europe, in India, Pakistan, and China is there. But right now China has been slow from last 6 to 8 months buying recycled material. But mostly Europe has been very aggressive because of the new law in Europe, which wants the producers to use 30% recycled material into the product. So it's creating a huge demand for the recycled product for them to buy from us, and it's good opportunity for us. The problem is shipping line now. The shipping freights are very high, so it's sometimes not viable for exporting. But I think Europe will be a good future market in the future for recycled material.
Yeah, ocean freight crisis, I think it touched everyone.
Yeah, it is a big problem.
Last year it just jumped up.
Yeah.
So
After the new corona, like this Omicron, again the freights are going up. It was stabilizing, but now again. So hopefully by this year, it should, by March, April, I feel that it should be normal.
Alright, it was Anna from MyScrap and Mr. Bashar Ehsan. Thank you for watching me. See you next time.
Thank you.